In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix missing calendar tab on your Microsoft Teams account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you're missing this calendar option, there are quite a number of ways to troubleshoot this. First, you might just not be seeing it on this tab menu, and to make sure that this is not the case, just go to these three lines here and go to settings. From settings, choose this option called appearance, and under appearance, go down to show app names. Toggle this on, and this will highlight the apps with their names. And as you can see now, this is the app for the calendar. You can now use it from now. In most cases, this should fix your issue. However, if you can still see this calendar, then you might want to check your system date and also your update. Make sure that if you still can't see calendar, then you might want to close your Microsoft Meet account and then open it afresh before you can see this calendar. So by using any of these methods, now you should be able to find and use your Google Meet calendar with ease. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.